Working outside in hot conditions can be brutal, especially when you have to wear heavy, tough gloves to keep your hands protected. These gloves often boast about guarding your hands against all kinds of elements, but few are designed to keep your hands comfortable on a hot day as well. So we've handpicked some of our favorites for working in hot weather. These gloves offer the same protection as others, but are made to be breathable to reduce sweat and heat around your hands. In this video you will find the best work gloves for summer.
Hi, my name is Kenny Safford and I'm lead design for Mechanix Wear. Over 30 years ago, Mechanix Wear basically invented the performance glove category. We brought in a glove called the Original. What that did was it protected hands that were working on cars, that were doing DIY projects, that were hard-working hands. The military version of that glove carries on in that heritage. What we've done is to develop and isolate features that the tactical version, the tactical customer might appreciate. The carbon-infused palm, very high in dexterity, very high in abrasion resistance, tear, cut, puncture, very high ratings on all those. Touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. Never wears out, doesn't wash out. It works very well in all conditions, hot, cold, wet, never fades. The back of the glove features track dry. What track dry is it's a wicking material. Pulls moisture from your body, exposes that moisture to the outer layers of the material where the air can cool it and dry it. What that does is it keeps your hands a little bit cooler, keeps them a lot drier, and it keeps blistering to a minimum. The tactical version of the Original glove, I'm very proud of it. This is something that we've worked on for a very long time, and I know that if you use these gloves, to protect, they will protect you.